Hey everybody, Felecia Townsend here, coming at you today with another video. In this video, I want to talk about free ebooks with PLR, free PLR ebooks that can make you money online. So we are going to get you to the threshold, or you are wanting to get to the threshold of just $100 a day, which would be $3,000 a month in income, which I'm pretty sure would be pretty helpful for you and your family. Then I want you to go ahead and click the link below this video where I am sharing with you my free PLR checklist of how to make $100 a day with PLR. So if you know a little bit about PLR, great. If you know nothing about PLR, great. This is newbie friendly, and I share with you a checklist of what you need to do to get yourself to where you're making $100 a day. Also, when you subscribe to get this PLR checklist, you're going to be on my email list, and I'm going to be sharing things with you that don't necessarily share with the general public. So we'll be able to conversate, kind of get like in the nitty gritty, and I'll be able to give you some tips and tricks and stuff that will be able to help you more just by actually being on my news list. Okay, so hopefully if you found yourself here, it's because I actually found you. I did the correct keyword research, which is something I'm going to show you how to do, and I'm going to have to show you how to find your target audience so that you can provide to them the solutions that they seek. And that's how you get people to come to you, and you just give them what they want, and then they give you what you want, which is a nice living. All right, so if you want to get my free PLR checklist on how to make $100 a day, click the link below this video. Make sure you subscribe just in case something's going on and you are not able to actually actually get the ebook or get the checklist right now. Make sure you subscribe so that way you know that you're connected to this YouTube channel, and that so whenever I do put out another video and you get it, you can be like, oh yeah, I forgot, I need to subscribe and get that checklist. So go ahead and do that now, and I hope to see you on the inside, and so we can just I can just really share with you what I know and what I've come to what I've learned in this industry. So if you're looking to make money online with PLR, this is the right place. This is where you want to be, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you, my friends, and have a great day. Goodbye for now.